Gen Z doesn't just follow trends, you analyze them, monetize them, and move on to the next opportunity. Raised in a digital world of instant access and financial awareness, you've seen crypto booms, stock market rallies, and online entrepreneurs building wealth from laptops. So it makes sense that Forex trading is on your radar. The idea of trading global currencies from your phone, anytime, anywhere, sounds like freedom, and in many ways it is. Forex, or foreign exchange, is the largest financial market in the world. It operates 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, allowing traders to buy and sell currencies as their values fluctuate. When one currency strengthens against another, there's opportunity. That flexibility aligns perfectly with Gen Z's lifestyle: remote, tech-driven, and independent. But accessibility doesn't equal simplicity. The market moves fast, and without preparation, it can move against you just as quickly. Social media often highlights profits, flashy lifestyles, and overnight success stories. What it rarely shows is the discipline behind consistent traders. Forex is not a shortcut to instant wealth. It is a skill built over time through study, practice, and emotional control. Understanding leverage, risk management, and market structure is not optional, it's essential. One poorly managed trade can erase weeks of gains. The advantage Gen Z holds is adaptability. You're comfortable learning from online platforms, analyzing data, and using technology to your benefit. Demo accounts allow you to practice without risk. Trading journals help refine strategy. Automated tools and AI systems can support decision-making, but they should never replace understanding. If you approach Forex like a business instead of a gamble, your mindset shifts. You focus on percentages, not hype. You prioritize consistency over quick wins. You track performance and improve systematically. Forex trading isn't about getting rich fast. It's about building a skill that, over time, can become a powerful financial asset.